Hey guys, today we're working on this Husqvarna lawnmower. This is a YTH2348. We're going to change the drive belt on it. It's just a big long V belt. First thing you're going to do is come back here and jack up the back end of the lawnmower. Now push your brake pedal all the way down and engage the parking brake. Alright, right here you can see there's a stud where I took off the nut and took the pulley off right there. There's normally 3 pulleys here. So take that nut off, and then that gives you some slop here, which allows you to slide the belt out from around that pulley right there. And then you can slide the belt past this little knob right here where my finger is and get it off from this pulley right here. All right, we're up here in front. This is the drive belt right here. So what you're gonna do is just kind of pull it down like this, slide it all the way around, work it around like that, all the way around until you get that belt all the way off from the pulley around here. There's this little clip here, or bar, to help hold the pulley or the belt in place. Just slip it past that bar. Now you should be able to come back here, pull the belt out of this pulley, and that should give you enough clearance that you can slip it out around the fan. And then once you've got it like this, you can just kind of turn the pulley a little bit with the belt in the fan, and that'll give you enough clearance to get the belt all the way off. Now we're going to take out this bolt right here. Just let this bar go limp like that. And then you can come down here and get your belt to slip all the way around like this. All right, now dust off this plug, unplug this plug, and thread it down through the hole. So that goes to the electromagnet and it'll hold it up here. And then we'll untension the deck belt and we'll be able to pull this belt all the way out. All right here is the deck belt tensioner. So loosen that up. That will loosen your deck belt right here. And then, voila, there's your old belt. I'm gonna have Amazon link to this belt in the description below. If you buy anything on Amazon through that link, I'll make a small commission as I'm an Amazon affiliate. So for the new belt, I'm gonna try putting in one that is 91 inches long on the outside. Right here, you can see the Husqvarna number right there, which is 532-1309-69. That belt is something like 92 3/8 inches long. I'm gonna try a smaller one so there's a bit less slop. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.